So once you click the link in the description of this video or in the comment section, or you can just type in Fundingpips in your browser, here is how the interface look like. So the first thing you have to do here is to do what? If you already have an account, you log in. If you don't have an account, you have to create an account by clicking on this area here. But if you already have an account, just log in, just as I will log in now. So immediately you log in, here's how the interface look like, exactly like this. That's how the Fundingpips home interface look like. First thing you have to do is to click on this place where they said what? Buy challenge. So once you click on buy challenge, so for this account, I'll be going for, they have a 1-step challenge, 2-step and a 0. But I'll be going with the 2-step challenge because this is the best for me. That's the best for me. And for this one, they have 2 trading model, Fundingpips and Fundingpips Pro. But Fundingpips Pro comes with I think 35% consistency rules and some other rules. So I'm going for the normal Fundingpips account. Then if I want more discounts, I can aim for 10% profit targets on phase 1. But I'm going for 8%. I'm going for 8%. So let me just leave it at this 8%. Then the next one, the account size, I'm going for their list account, which is just the 5k account. Let me just purchase the 5k account. So 8% profit target for phase 1 and 5% profit target for phase 2. Then for the trading platform, I'll be choosing MetaTrader 5. I love MatchTrader, but let me just choose MetaTrader 5. Then currently now, Fundingpips is running a promo, a 20% discount. So I'll be taking advantage of that promo in this video. So, and the promo code is FP. Let me apply it. As you can see, they just $7.2, which is 20% of the initial price, which is $36, has been deducted. And instead of me to pay $36, I'm now paying $28.8 because of this discount here. Then I scroll up, so you have to agree to the terms and conditions. Then you click on continue payment. So it's loading. So they are redirecting us. So, and in this video, like I said, if you watch the video, if you look at the title of the video, I'll be using crypto to make the payment, which is the safest and the fastest for me, crypto. So once I click on the crypto, let it load. It's loading. Just wait. So we'll be using what? USDT for this video. USDT. That's what, not USDC, USDT. So just click on USDT. And for this video, I'll be using Polygon Network. Polygon Network, because if you watch where Tron Network is a bit higher, the fees is higher. So in this video, I'll be using Polygon Network. So let's click on Polygon Network. Exactly. So as you can see, it has popped up right now. Here is the amount, $29.06. That's what we are expected to pay. So the next thing I'll do, I'll head to my Bitget app to make this transfer and purchase this account right now. Let me head over to my Bitget app. So right now I'm on my Bitget app. So once I head over to my Bitget app, the first thing you do is to do what? You click on this area where they said what? Assets. That's the first place to click on. Once you click on asset, here's how the interface look like. Then the next thing you click on this area where they said what? Withdraw. Then once you click on withdraw, you choose on-chain withdrawal. It's loading. Then you click on the coin, you choose on this USDT here. Click on it. It's loading. So right here now, what do you have to do now? You head over to your Fundingpips app, as in the site. Then you copy this wallet address here. Copy it. Once you copy it, head over to your Bitget app. Come here and paste the wallet address there. Then for the withdrawal network, remember we choose Polygon Network. So you just click on this area here. Once you click on that area, you scroll down. Right here, look at it, Polygon. You click on Polygon network. Okay. Then for the withdrawal amounts, which is this area here, head over to that Fundingpips platform again. Then copy this amount here. Once you copy it, head over here, then paste it here also. As you can see, okay, I want you to be very careful and take note of this thing. If you watch well here, you see that the amount you are withdrawing is $28.8. Why? Because they are charging you a network fee. Look at it here. They are charging you a network fee of about 0.2 USDT. So what do you have to do here? You need to add 0.2 USDT to this amount here. Add 0.2 USDT to this around here. So let me just use my calculator for this. So here is the amount, right? So here is the amount. So just head over to your calculator. Okay. Come here. Let me just paste the price plus 0.2. Have you seen the results? Then you copy it. Cancel it. Then paste. As you can see here now, immediately I do this thing now. What do you see here? 29.06904. Head over to this app here. 29. Look at it, the same price here. 29.06904. Check here also. 29. I mean the credited amounts. 29.06904. Exactly the same thing. Don't make this mistake, because if you send the amount that is lower than the amount you are supposed to spend, you may end up losing your funds. So just make sure that the credited amount, the amount that will be credited, and the amounts here are also, and the amount here should be also the same thing. So after that, you click on withdraw. So it's loading. Exactly. Then I click on confirm. Just confirm this thing. Okay. I'll be sent an email now on my Google Authenticator app. So let's just wait for the messages. Okay. 387020. 387020. Then let me head over to my Google Authenticator app. I don't know why the network is disturbing. So paste it again. Okay. The withdrawal order has been submitted. So let's look how many minutes it's going to take for the amount to be credited. Then we'll know that we've purchased the account successfully. Okay. It's expected to arrive in less than, from now to the next 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Let's just see how fast it goes. So guys, as you can see right now, I've purchased the account successfully. They have sent my login details, which I just covered here, my account ID and my password, which I'll use to log into my MT5 accounts. So that is just how easy it is to purchase your Fundingpips accounts or any pro firm using Bitget. That's exactly how to do it, as easy as ABC. So nothing much.